Hi guys, how did I get up here? Whatever. So I'm playing this game called Board or something. So I'm just gonna hit E, now lower my neck and grab this giant watermelon, jump on top of it, and just keep on jumping. Oh my, this game's gonna be hilarious. If that's what you do in it, it's gonna be hilarious. You could put avocado. Get over here. I may not be your father, but we're going to space. What the? Wait, what? That's weird. That should be concerning, right? I think that should be, but it was not that concerning. Q. What does Q do? Will you take me on a trip on your favorite rocket ship? That does not seem like a trip on your favorite rocket ship. Okay. What? Okay, I just died. Ooh, a log. No, that is my log. That is my log. My log. All why you. Psycho with the gun. Everyone help those crazy psycho with the gun. Ooh, blueberries. Yes. We all love blueberries. Nope, it's solid. Ooh, strawberries. Hey, thanks, strawberry. Strawberry, I need you again. No, it's okay. Let go. Fine, I'll just get this strawberry. Strawberry this way. Strawberry! No! This way. No, no, this way. No. Hey, this way. We're supposed to go up. Oh, this strawberry is so stupid. I need a new strawberry. Ah, this one's filled with stupid strawberries. Oh yes, new strawberry. Please don't be dumb. There we go. That was strawberry. Excuse me, that was rude. That was rude, strawberry. Wasn't